Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Bedtime Stories by yours truly, Juan Paulo Pineda. For tonight's episode, we will be discussing about choosing to be quiet and moving forward. I know you will be much related for those who are struggling, for those choosing to be quiet na lang. But before anything else, since this is a podcast, you may use this episode as a background audio while you are doing some other things. Like habang naglalaba kayo, nag-aaral, naglilinis ng bahay, nagtatrabaho, or while driving o gumagawa man ng ibang bagay. Okay? So again, our topic for tonight is choosing to be quiet and moving forward. Not because there's nothing to say, but because sometimes silence says more than words ever could. Alam niyo mga kama, being silent or the response of being silent is the most powerful response for all. When there are people against you, when there are people talking behind your back, the best response to them is nothing. Just silence. It's kind of waste of time actually to respond to this kind of disrespectful person sa'yo. No? It's kind of waste of time talaga. And a waste of energy. Kapag binigyan mo kasi ng attention yung mga taong bastos, mga taong pinag-uusapan ka, mga taong ayaw ka, well, you're just wasting your time. We all know that hindi naman lahat ng tao mapiplease natin eh. What we can do is value those people who appreciate us and giving us so much appreciation in life. So when we say that we are choosing to be quiet and moving forward, this is not the kind of silence that comes from fear. This is not also the kind that suppresses the truth. But this is the kind of silence that comes from the growth, from the clarity, from knowing that not everything needs a response. I repeat, not everything needs a response. Itong pag-uusapan natin is akma-akma para sa lahat na nakakaranas ng being misunderstood. This is for anyone who wanted to explain, defend, or prove themselves, but they choose peace instead. Mas pinili nila yung kapayapaan instead na pumatol, imbes na mag-defend, imbes na patunayan sa lahat kung sino sila, no? There was a time when silence felt uncomfortable, no? So, when we feel like, ay, ang tahimik, it's like uncomfortable. When being quiet felt like losing, like giving up your side of the story, like letting others control the narrative. And we were taught that if we did not speak up, we would be misunderstood. Diba? Kapag hindi tayo nagsalita, mami-misunderstood tayo. And sometimes, that silence meant weakness. That staying quiet meant accepting disrespect. Na minsan nakala natin when we stay silent, hinahayaan lang nilang bastusin tayo. And sometimes, so we explained ourselves. We over-explained, defended, and repeat the same truths to people who were never listening. And sometimes nga ito yung mga taong hindi naniniwala sa atin. Until one day, something changed. You realize that your peace mattered more than being understood. That not everyone deserves access to your thoughts. That explaining yourself does not guarantee clarity. It often just drains you. And then silence became your decision. And silence became a boundary for you, a form of self respect. And choosing to be quiet did not mean you stopped caring. It meant you started caring about the right things. Dahil mas pinili mo na lang manahimik, pinili mong magkaroon ng boundary, pinili mong magkaroon ng wall, at pinili mong magkaroon ng respeto sa sarili mo. But let's be clear about this, no? Choosing to be quiet is not the same as avoidance. Well, avoidance runs away from truth. Silence sits with it. Kapag tahimik ka na lang, alam mo sa sarili mo yung katotohanan. Pero kung ina-avoid mo siya, tinatakasan mo yung katotohanan. Avoidance denies feelings, while silence honors them privately. When choosing quiet means you've already processed the pain. You've already cried. Umiyak ka na ng umiyak. You are already reflected, already learned the lesson. You are not silenced because you have nothing to say. You are silent because you finally know what matters. And often, silence comes after realization. Like, some people don't want understanding, they only want control. Some conversations go in circles, and some explanations will never be accepted. So instead na ikaw ay makipag-argue, you just pause. Instead of reacting, you just deeply breathe. Instead of staying stuck, you just move forward. And silence becomes maturity. Darating sa point ng buhay mo na mapapagod ka ring magsalita, no? When talking does not bring relief anymore, when repeating yourself only reopens wounds, and when being heard does not equal being respected. That's usually when growth begins. And suddenly, marirealize mo na not every accusations needs correction. Not every misunderstanding needs fixing. And not every opinion needs a response. Sometimes we learn that clarity ay hindi laging nanggagaling from a conversation or a dialogue. Sometimes it comes from distance, from time, and from walking away. And choosing not to speak, does not mean you are wrong. It means you're done explaining yourself to people who already made up their minds. And that realization is quiet but powerful. Sa sobrang dami mong realizations about being quiet, you will realize later on that it is so powerful. And how about moving forward? One of the hardest things to accept is that not all chapters end with closure. No final conversation, no apology, no mutual understanding, just distance. And that can feel unsettling. Nangyayari sa atin yan kasi we just move forward. We don't have any closure to our ex or exes. We crave closure because it feels like control, like neat endings, like validation. But sometimes, closure is a decision you make alone. It's choosing to stop reopening the story. Kasi pag nagkaroon kayo ng closure, okay, babalik na naman kayo sa simula. Choosing to stop replying to conversations, and you are choosing to stop waiting for people to understand. Well, moving forward does not always look loud. It sometimes looks like less explaining, fewer reactions, and more focus on your own path. And slowly, quietly, you realize that mas magaan na siya sa pakiramdam mo. Hindi mo man nakuha yung ending na gusto mo, pero nakuha mo yung inner peace sa sarili mo. Let your actions speak. When you stop explaining, your actions take over. Your consistency speaks, your growth speaks, and your healing speaks. You don't or you should not announce your progress. You should live with it. You don't need to defend your character. You embody it. And that's when silence becomes confidence. And come in time na maniniwala ka na those meant to understand you will. Those who don't were never your audience. Time reveals truth better than words. Moving forward becomes the loudest response you can give. Okay, so let's pause it here. You might want to close your eyes or simply breathe. Just inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And this is for our self-reflection for today. You might want to close your eyes or simply breathe. Ask yourself, where in my life am I explaining too much? Saang part ng buhay mo na sa tingin mo masyado kang nag-i-explain sa ibang tao? Who am I trying to convince instead of releasing? Sino ba yung tinatry mo i-convince or i-please? What would happen if I choose silence not out of fear but out of peace? Try mo lang, what will happen? And then reflect on this. Is my silence protecting me or am I avoiding discomfort? Another reflection is, what does moving forward look like for me right now? Ano ba yung sa tingin nyong moving forward? Ano ba yung ginagawa nyo pag moving forward kayo? And lastly, what I am ready to let go of without needing validation. Ano ba yung sa tingin nyo kailangan nyo nang i-let go na hindi nyo na kailangan pa ng approval or validation ng ibang tao? So for my last statements, choosing quiet as a self-respect. Well, choosing to be quiet is not shrinking. It's expansion. It's realizing your worth does not depend on agreement, that your truth does not need applause, that growth does not require permission. You can be quiet and still be strong, quiet and still be firm, and quiet and still be moving forward. Silence does not erase your voice. it preserves it. So that when you do speak, it really matters. Always remember this, guys, no? You don't owe anyone an explanation. You don't need to carry every misunderstanding ng ibang tao sa inyo. You don't have to prove who you are. You just have to be unique. Unique and be who you are. Sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is stay quiet and keep going. Tuloy lang. Walang pake. Lagi mong poprotektahan yung inner peace mo. And let your healing be private. Let your growth be steady. And let your peace be non-negotiable. Again, guys, thank you again for listening for today's episode. I hope you enjoy your day and always protect your inner peace. And do kindness always. Thank you and bye-bye.